torch rally has been taken out at various places of Imphal West district demanding normalcy before election. Last night, a torch rally has been organized jointly by Rural United Club Organization, Imphal West District Women Wing and Imphal West District United Clubs Organization at Haibong Pokpi. Women folk of Haibong Pokpi, Sanjembam, Lambal, Lamshang, Awang Lekai and Lairen Kabi took part in the rally. Many slogans shouted by the women folk demanding internal displaced persons should be returned to their respective homes. No election needed when people are in trauma. Speaking to ELITETV News, a women folk strongly condemn for organizing election at this critical juncture. They would not participate in the election until and unless all the displaced persons are returned to their respective homes.
Relief came the Lajariba Awana Taraba, Tandu Latana Latriba Parza Mayam said Tandu Latana Lehelaba Matunda, Magi Imung the Tandu Latana Lagra Matune, Quigi, elections in view, Natrabati, Equi Parza Miamna, elections in the Saruk Jabang, Amzaroi, Haibagi Matanga, Equi Impal West, Haibadi, Lairen Kabi, Sanjenbam, Ade Lamban, our Lamsang Awang Lekai, Haibong Pupi, Kun Mangasina. Aikoi amatoi ba khongjang da changjan daraga hairiba tangdu laita ba relief camp da leiriba parja miam se tangdu laita na mayum da lehendriba phauba aikoi bho se saruk jajaroroi haibagi damakta aikoi ngasi gi maira rally se chinjabani.
On the other hand, at Lamsang Bajar Apunba Maira Paibi also taken out torch rally with the same slogans. Women folk of Lamdeng Kuno, Legam Kul and Lamsang took part in the rally. Speaking to media persons, a women folk said they will not participate in the election if the normalcy is not returned in Manipur.